Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Milu and today I'm gonna show you how to make Hamli slash Gomen. Gomen in Amarinya and Hamli in Tigrinya. Hamli is basically collard green that we eat with injera. So I don't need to tell you much, you guys already know. Green leaves are very healthy for you, lots of vitamins. I'm gonna do a little fusion. Can we say fusion? Yeah. So I'm gonna give it a little twist. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of kale, a little bit of red pepper, and some, what else do we not usually use? Yeah, a little bit of tomato sauce. You can add any types of vegetables, type of greeny leaves if you want to. It's delicious. So if you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment down below. And yeah, let's hop into the video. Alright guys, let's start off with the ingredients list. I have one bunch of collard greens. I will be washing it and take off the stems. And I'm going to show you how I chop them. Yeah, I'm just going to slice through that. I have one bag of baby spinach, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, and I'm going to use 2 of these hot peppers. I have 1 onion, garlic and red pepper, and 4 tablespoons of this tomato sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my greens. And so now that I've washed and taken off the stems, I place them on top of each other. I'm gonna start rolling them all together, just like that, and then you start slicing through. I have washed my spinach, and now I'm chopping my onions. I'm just gonna dice them, and I will be doing the same thing with half of my red pepper. I will be mincing 6 of my garlic cloves. You just press it down with the knife, and then you just chop, chop, chop. I am adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to my preheated pan. Once that is heated, you will be adding your chopped onions, and you're gonna cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're nice and soft. Just gonna give that a shake, put on the lid, stir again. And now you can add your red peppers. Adding half of my garlic. I am now adding my ginger paste. I'm gonna mix that all together so all the flavors can come together. And I'm gonna be adding the lid and let that simmer for like 4 minutes. Give it a nice shake. I am adding 4 tablespoons of the tomato sauce, and I'm gonna mix that again. Adding a pinch of salt and pepper. It's gonna give you guys a closer look to what it looks like once it's kind of cooked for a bit. And I am creating a space in the center where I will be adding my collard greens. So I'm just slightly pressing it down in the pan, and you just start folding. Just press it down with your spatula. I love my spatula. Like, I only cook with spatulas. So I'm adding the other half of the garlic. And you're just going to start folding until everything is mixed very well together. Like the sides, and just keep folding. Once your collard greens have reduced by half, you want to add your spinach. Spinach does not that much cooking as much as the collard greens. They need longer to cook. Now I'm adding the rest of the garlic, a pinch of salt and pepper again, and 2 of my hot peppers. That's optional. And putting on a lid, let that cook for 10 minutes. And this is what you will get. I'm just gonna show you a slow-mo how I'm patting it down. Just slightly patting it down. Yep, and that's it, guys. Our hamli is done. You get to enjoy your delicious spinach and collard greens. I am eating it with injera right now, but I have eaten it many times on its own because I just love hamli. I love any Eritrean or like Habesha vegetarian and vegan dishes. My favorite. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and bye.